Are you a new designer? Avoid these pitfalls to take your skills to the next level. Let's dive into the top 4 mistakes beginners make in Adobe Illustrator and how you can steer clear of them. The first mistake you can make is not using the lock feature of Adobe Illustrator, as it results in editing and changing the things you don't want to edit. So it is very wise to lock the layers you don't want to edit and save yourself from frustration and wasting your valuable time. You can easily lock your layers by simultaneously pressing Ctrl and 2 key on the keyboard, or by going into the object in the menu section and then lock and then selection. The second on our list is neglecting file organization. The issue is that messy files slow you down and confuse collaborators. Now this impacts the workflow of both inside and out of the Adobe Illustrator. In the File Explorer, you should name your files descriptively, keep your folders tidy, and use consistent naming conventions, which means keeping them simple, clear, and easy to understand. In Illustrator, use Layers panel to group objects and label layers correctly. So keep your files organized and name them clearly. It will save you and your team a lot of time and frustration. The third mistake is ignoring alignment and spacing. Misaligned elements and inconsistent spacing make designs look unprofessional. Alignment and spacing play a very crucial role in designing. The placement of elements and the spacing between them should be of paramount importance, as this sets the style and appeal of every design. You can easily use the Align feature by going into the window in the menu section or by simultaneously pressing Shift F7 keys. Use alignment tools and maintain spacing between elements for a polished and professional design every time. Last but not the least is forgetting to use the artboards. Not using the artboards leads to disorganized and inefficient workflows. Think of artboards as a canvas. You need to know the boundaries in which you can place your creativity in. Having no bounds can lead you to make unorganized designs, resulting in design failures and chaos. You can use a single artboard or multiple artboards if you want to create variations and keep your workplace tidy. You can either select an artboard of the size you like from the initial interface by selecting the new file option, or you can simply use the artboard tool to add, resize, and manage artboards in your project. Every designer starts from somewhere, and mistakes are part of the journey. Avoiding these 4 pitfalls will make you grow faster than ever. Which mistakes have you done before? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more creative tips and tricks. We'll meet you in the next video. Take care.